In this section, we're going to learn about regular expressions, also known as regex. So what are regular expressions? Well, a regular expression is a special sequence of characters that are essentially used as a search pattern to find a string or a set of strings in another string. So for example, if you wanted to detect if there were any numbers in a specific string, regex could help you do this. If you wanted to see that a specific string was absent from a piece of text, regex could help you do this. And regex can also split a pattern of text into one or more sub-patterns. Now, regular expressions aren't specific to Python, but Python does provide a regex module, which is simply the letters RE, that supports the use of regex in Python. So to set the context, let's just run through a basic example. We'll first of all import the regex module, so we can put import RE. Now let's suppose I had a sentence stored in the variable my_text, and the sentence was, one day, Lucas started to learn how to code using Python. Now if we had the need to search for the name Lucas in this string, and obviously this is a basic example, we can see it's there, but we could use the regex module to help us do this. So if we set a variable called match, and then set this equal to a call on a method called search from the regex module, so re.search, we can pass in a pattern as the first argument, and this is the pattern of characters that it will be looking for. So if we put the letter R, then open single quotes, and then put the word Lucas. Now here, the letter R does not stand for regex, the letter R actually stands for raw string, and it's slightly different from a regular string. It won't actually interpret the / character as an escape character like we've seen before. And this is because the regular expression engine essentially uses the / character for its own escaping purpose. So just note here that when you put an R in front of a string, it stands for raw string, and any text inside the quotes will be regarded as a character. We can then put a comma, and then we can put the string that we want to search within. So if I put the variable my_text, when I run this code cell and then take a look to see what's stored in the variable match, you can see we bring back a match object. It tells us that the word Lucas started at index 9 and spanned up to index 14, and the match was Lucas. Now this is a match object, so we have other things we could do with this object. For example, if I put match and then dot, you can see we have these attributes and methods that we can call. So we have one called end, we have last index, we have start. So if I put match.start and then parentheses, you can see we return the index 9. If I put match.end and put parentheses, we bring back 14. So we can obtain a lot of information about a search for a specific sequence of characters, in this case searching for the word Lucas. Now if I change the name Lucas to Luca, and take off the S, and then print to see what's stored in the variable match, you can see we bring back none. So there is no match, and we don't have a match object that we can work with. Now here we've simply used the word Lucas, but regex gives us meta characters and special sequences that we can use to be really specific with our pattern matching. And in the next video, we're going to start by looking at the meta characters that are available in the regex module. So I'll see you there.